Hey guys, we're going today to draw an eye. We're going to start by getting a normal paper and a normal pencil. Now we start by drawing a small circle. Now we do a curve on the circle like that. We do another curved line but backward. We don't need to touch the circle at the bottom. I connect these two parts with this curve. We start by adding a small ball inside. Then we do add a small square. The edge of the square is touching the circle. Start by adding lines. Okay, now we need to change this pencil. Okay, and we're going to get another pencil that is darker. Just start to shade. Now getting this part is not easy and not too hard. Shades inside the eye like that, just by pressing very slowly. Now we will try to find any black pen. There is a black pen. This circle, we're going to redo it and also add shadings with the pen. Now we start by outlining the eyeliner like that. Now we're going to start the lashes. The lashes from up, we need to just have a curve and just up. The bottom lashes, we're going to do the same thing but downward like that. We need to add some shadings, of course. So the shading is going to be under the eye from this side. Going from above, shading that line. We add much of shading. Okay, now we get an eraser. I use this stick eraser. Let me show you. Here, this is a stick eraser. Just start by erasing a small line. Now we'll start drawing the eyebrow. So we draw 3 lines. The first line at the top needs to touch the curve of the eyebrow, and the bottom line needs to touch the end of the eyebrow, and the middle line needs to touch the eyebrow itself from the beginning. Now we start drawing the hair. We start the hair straight at the beginning of the eyebrow, and at the end we start to lean it to the right a bit. And that's it. I'll just add some shadings and let's see. Please like and subscribe if you like the video.